Question 2, eh?
Outline ways in which God prepared Moses to be the future leader of his people.
People here had the points, but explaining was the problem. Then others were bringing points that you were told in church, but they do not apply. Most of you, I don't think you were revising. When you were at home, you were just sleeping and watching TV. I can see Justus. Did you read at all? Did you read?
Yes.
If you're not lying to me, you're lying to God. Continue. So how did he prepare Moses? Number one, he spared his life. When he was rescued by who? Pharaoh's daughter, Pharaoh. So he spared his life. You can go ahead and explain that when he was rescued by Pharaoh's daughter. He was nursed by his own mother. Remembering the word nursed was the issue. He was nursed by his own mother. He was also taught about his background by his mother. Mother taught him about his background. That is, he told him his true identity, whereby he told him he's an Israelite. Life in the wilderness hardened him. When he was at the wilderness, the life there hardened him. He also learned responsibility as a shepherd. Remember that a shepherd is what? Father-in-law's what? Sheep. Jethro. So he learned responsibility as a shepherd. He also learned family responsibility when he was taking care of his family and that one of Jethro. So he learned that as a different point. Family responsibility. What I found out is when you are writing this point, most of you are talking about the wife, right? And then they also he acquired leadership skills at Pharaoh's palace. He also learned literary numerous skills. So numero is to count, or literary skills at the palace. So he got knowledge from the palace, Pharaoh's palace. And then remember also how God prepared is because he was not stranger to Pharaoh. So he could, when he was talking to Pharaoh to release the Israelites, he was talking to them that like they were equal. So he was no stranger to Pharaoh.